Range anxiety is the monster hiding under the bed for every new electric vehicle owner. But what happens when you actually push the battery architecture to its absolute limits on the highway? Let us get straight into the reality of the Hyundai IONIQ 5 battery technology and charging speeds, leaving the optimistic factory brochures behind. The secret weapon here is the 800-volt architecture, which is something you usually only find in ultra-high-end luxury sports cars, not practical family hatchbacks. When you pull up to a 350 kilowatt direct current fast charger, this car can jump from 10% to 80% battery capacity in just 18 minutes. To put that into perspective, you will barely have enough time to grab a coffee and use the restroom before the car is ready to hit the road again. But charging speed is only half the story. We need to talk about real-world range. In ideal weather conditions with the long-range rear-wheel drive setup, you are supposed to get over 300 miles. However, my real-world highway tests show that if you are cruising at 70 miles per hour with the climate control running, you should expect something closer to 250 to 260 miles. It is just like dealing with a mechanical engine. How hard you push the pedal directly impacts your efficiency. Cold weather is another factor, as freezing temperatures can drop your range by up to 20%, though the optional heat pump does a fantastic job of minimizing that loss by scavenging waste heat from the electrical components. If you are charging at home on a standard level 2 charger, you are looking at around 7 to 8 hours for a full top-up from zero, which is perfect for overnight charging. The battery management system on this platform is incredibly robust, constantly monitoring individual cell temperatures to prevent degradation over time. Think of it as having a highly advanced diagnostic scanner running constantly in the background, ensuring your power delivery is always optimal and your battery life is preserved for the long haul. Ultimately, the charging speed completely changes how you plan road trips, making the whole electric transition feel effortless.